Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're looking at the second of three Ernst Benz chronographs that I have in my possession on loan from Ernst Benz. This one is the Ernst Benz Chronolunar Officer GC40384. Now this is on a very cool alligator strap. I really like the look and texture of this strap. I like this better than a black alligator strap. And it matches with the guild hands, guild indices, guild subdial rings, and the white on here. It looks very good. I like this color combination. Probably go with, I don't know, a tan suit or something. I'm not good with that type of stuff, but that's what I picture in my mind. In the moon phase, the moon there is gold as well. So very nice color combination. Let's activate the second here on the chronograph second. Nice solid click there. I like how the 12 and the 9 and the 3 and the 6 kind of go into that. It's not really a minute track, but it's, well, I guess it is a minute track, but also it has the date going around there as well. So that little crescent shape is indicating the date. There's really no chapter ring, it just goes straight down around the edge. So anyway, we're looking at the strap. This is a Louisiana Alligator handmade strap, 22 millimeter lug width. And then you have Ernst Benz engraved down here, or stamped, or whatever you want to call that. Nice padding on here. Case back says Swiss made. 5 ATM, which is also 50 meter water resistance. So very nice. So this also has the same movement as the other two. This has the Valjoux automatic movement, the 7751, and it has the Incabloc Nivarox Hairspring, and this is the same complications as well. You have the hours, the minutes, sub-second dial there, subsidiary second dial, sorry, the day, and the date around the minute track there, outer ring, and then the month on here. The 24-hour indicator over here, the moon phase, then of course the chronograph, which is running. That central second hand running around is the chronograph second. Then up at the top you have the minutes subdial, and then the bottom is the hour subdial. And of course it says Swiss made down there. These watches are very dressy, which you wouldn't think of, at least I don't think of normally as a chronograph, but these are definitely dressy. Full polished everywhere. And this is a large watch. Again, that movement to study. See the balance spring back there, the balance wheel just ticking away. So very nice. Now this one is larger than the previous one that we talked about. This one is 52 millimeter lug to lug, 44 millimeter case diameter. Thickness on this is a bit thicker at 16.2, so very thick watch. And the lug width, as I mentioned earlier, is 22 millimeter. And the crown is upsized on this as well. This is a 7.8 millimeter crown. So pretty large watch all around. Bring my SKX. Actually, we'll do my Islander. Same thing as a SKX. Have it on this nice Clockwork Republic FKM rubber strap. I was going to say SKX rubber strap, but the FKM rubber strap. Those 3-letter acronyms. But anyway, this is the 42 millimeter watch and 44 millimeter chronograph. Yeah, definitely looks bigger, especially with that white dial. And the sticker as well. Let me check out the lug. The lug just has long lugs on it. Let's see here. I don't want to bang these together. So there you can get an idea how much longer the lugs are on the chronograph. So it's a cool watch. Let me know in the comment sections what you think of this watch. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you would purchase one of these. So let's get this on wrist. And then we'll close out the video. Actually, before we do that, well, I'll let it run a little bit longer and then we'll stop it and reset it. I like to see that snap back. It's a pretty cool feature. See if I stop it here, if it goes all the way around or if it'll go backwards. So let's see what happens. Looks like it just went backwards. So yeah. Never had a watch with an alligator strap. Well, I should say I've never owned one personally. So there we go on my 6.5-inch wrist. Yeah, I could tighten the strap a little bit more, but it's all right here. I can feel the rotor moving around in there, I think. Yeah, I could feel the rotor moving. Anyway, lug to lug on this, I believe was 52. Yeah, 52 lug to lug. Case size is 44. And my wristband is 52, so not sure how it looks on camera, but the lugs are the same size as my wrist span. We'll zoom out here. So let me know if you'd wear a watch this size on your wrist if it looked like this. I really do like this color combination though. This looks good. So that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.